All right, welcome back. So today we're going to look at lists again, but what we're going to do is just kind of show you how we can print out the length of that list, as well as show you how you can print the last element of that list. Okay, so let's just go ahead and first we'll find the length. So we're going to create a variable, and there's a built-in tool that Python has called length, and we're going to tell it that we want to look at our colors. Okay, so what this is going to do, oops, forgot the S. This is going to take our colors list that we have, and it's going to find the length of that and just print that off for us. So let's go ahead and we're going to print C. So if we did this correctly, we go ahead and there's 5 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now let's go ahead and print off this last element. Now we could very easily just say that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to print off this 4th, and we could do that. Not a problem. However, let's say that we want to, maybe we don't know the length of our list because our program is bigger and we're adding things to it over and over and over, and so we're really not sure exactly what that length is. So we can do that though pretty easily. What we're going to do is we're going to tell it to print, and we're going to do colors. Oops. So this is our list here, right? And we're going to say that we're going to take the length, this right here, and we're going to do -1. Now this has to do with how the coding languages use the list, but essentially, if we just did this and did just C, or it's 5 elements. If we took that, basically it gets all the way to the end here, and when we want to print this, we're going to actually have it go -1, so it's going to print this whole thing. So that's essentially kind of how that works. Is it takes the length, and then -1 means it's taking 1 back from the end of that list. So we run this and it's purple. And I mean, we don't have to stick it, keep to 1. We could say we want to do 2. And what this will do is it'll go not just the first one back, but now it's going to look at the second one back. And if we run that again, now it's yellow. And we could do that the same way, 3 and 4 and 5. Obviously doing it the other way that we've done in the past, where you just print the actual location, you could do that as well. So instead of doing C-2, maybe we want to just do 0, 1, 2, 3. So we'll do 3 here, and it's still going to print yellow for us. And if we change it to the third index location, which is blue, it'll print blue. All right. So this is kind of how you find the length of your list. And then, you basically create a variable and you can find the length that way. There's other ways to do this, but we'll just kind of keep this nice and simple. So this is kind of how you find the length, and then you can always just use that length and subtract from it. So if I want to do C and then -1, that'll print the last one in the list, which is purple. All right, hopefully that helps you. Good luck.